right, so I previously did a tutorial on this twist cube, and I showed you a very long and hard way to solve this cube, and I since then have recently found a way to solve it sort of like a 3x3, except for if you have a parity. So this is going to be how to solve this cube along with the parity algorithm, and you can solve this just like a regular 3x3, just need the additional algorithm for these middle pieces on the top. So go ahead and scramble up your cube. All right, so now that my cube is scrambled, we're gonna go ahead and make our daisy. So what you're gonna do here is you're just going to, I recommend learning how to solve the regular 3x3 first. That makes this cube so much easier. So you're just gonna get these 4 white pieces around the yellow center. So that is pretty simple to do. Like I said, it's much easier if you already know how to solve a 3x3 first. I do have a tutorial over on my page if you don't know how to do that. So now we have the deal of these middle pieces, and you might be confused on how to get these in place. So orange and blue is going to be for the orange piece. Blue and red is going to be for the blue piece. Red and green is going to be for the red piece, and orange and green is going to be for the green piece. But right now, none of these pieces look like they're actually going to go in anywhere, because even like the orange isn't matching up. So you're just going to go ahead, and I'm going to take the orange and the blue and the orange and just flip it over twice. So now it's over here. So now we've made room to fix these pieces. So you're going to put your open slot over here, and we're going to turn this so that blue is facing the top right. Then we're gonna push our blue piece over here, and now you can see it matches up perfectly. And now you can go ahead and flip this down. Now we're gonna flip this back up. Make sure your top area is clear before flipping this up, and then you're just gonna go ahead and flick it up twice so we can also fix this middle piece. We're actually gonna do that next. So we're gonna have orange in the top right-hand corner, and then bring our orange middle piece back and flip it over twice. There's 2 of our pieces in the right spot. So this one is going to be for green. So we're gonna flip it so that we have no white pieces on the top. Flip our green to the top right, and then bring our green middle piece over and flip it down. Last piece is this one, and it needs to be turned to red. And then we're gonna bring our red piece over and flip it down. There you go, you have your cross, and all of your middle pieces are in the right spot. So now next for the corner pieces. The corner pieces are pretty easy. You're just gonna do it like a regular 3x3. So your orange and green piece is gonna go here in between green and orange. So you're just gonna do up, left, down, right once it's in. Your white piece needs to be right above the spot you need to solve it. So we have this one, so I'm gonna turn it right above the spot that needs to be solved between orange and blue, up, left, down, right, until that piece is solved over and over again. There you go, that piece is solved. So this one needs to go here because blue and red, up, left, down, right. And now last piece, up, left, down, right, until that piece is solved. You might realize that your cube is a little bit difficult to turn. That is totally normal. So now for the middle pieces, you're gonna go ahead and solve this just like a regular 3x3 too. So green is gonna go here, this spot here, because here's our 2 green pieces. Here's our green. So you're gonna wanna have the green either here or here, right? The diagonal from where it needs to go. So now we're gonna push it away from where it needs to go. I'm keeping our green piece on orange and green. We're gonna push it to the right. We're gonna do the left hand algorithm. So up, right, down, and then left. And then you're gonna put the cube or turn the cube to the right and do the right hand algorithm, which is up, left, down, right. There are our pieces solved. So next is orange, and you're gonna hold that above blue and orange here and turn it to the right again. And then on the left hand side, up, right, down, left, and then turn it to the right hand, up, left, down, and right. And now we have one more piece, and we're gonna hold our blue piece above red and blue, turn it to the right, up, right, down, left, and then turn it to the right side, up, left, down, and right. Now all of our middle pieces are solved, so the second layer is done. So now with the top part of the cube, you may get a parity, and I'll show you what that means in a minute. But first we are going to, if you have a line, you're going to hold it this way. If you have an L shape, which means these 3 pieces will have yellow on them, hold that in the back here. So you're going to hold it with the yellow pieces right here if you have an L. I have just a line, so we're going to flip this up like that. So flip the front face to the right. Then we're gonna do the right hand algorithm, up, left, down, right. And if you don't have a parity, Your cube should look like this. When you do that algorithm a couple times, you'll have the cross. But I will show you at the end of the video what you need to do if you have a parity piece, which means the yellow will be flipped the wrong way. So I'll show you how to fix that in just a minute. But it looks like to me that we're gonna flip them around and see if we can get 2 in the right spot. Here we go, we have 2 here. Green is where it needs to go and red is in the right spot. So we're gonna hold those 2 in the back right. Then we're going to bring this side up, so the right side up, over to the left, put the right side back down, put it over to the left, bring the right side up, and bring that white piece back and put it back down. Now all of your middle pieces should be in the proper spot. You can go around and check. Now we're gonna look to see if we have any corner pieces in the right spot, and I have one right here. So we're gonna hold it in the front right, push the top over to the left, right side up, to the right, left side up, to the left, put the right side back down, put the left side down. And now you may have to do that a couple times. And if you didn't have any pieces in the right spot, you just have to do that from wherever. And then when you have one in the right spot, you gotta hold it in the front. All of my pieces are in the right spot, so we're gonna go ahead, flip it over. We are going to stay on one face. Do not actually turn your cube. Do not do that. We are gonna do up, left, down, right. Make sure you're doing the right. Up, left, down, and make sure you turn it to the right. Now we're just gonna turn the bottom of our cube. That piece is already solved, so turn it again. Here it is, up, left, down, right, over and over again until that piece is solved. Do not turn your cube. Okay, turn it to the right, turn the bottom layer. There you go, there's your solved cube. Now let me teach you how to do the parity. All right, guys, and now for the parity algorithm, you might wanna write this down because it is a little bit long. If you have a yellow piece that is flipped the wrong way and you can't get it in, what you're gonna do is this. You're gonna hold the piece that is unsolved to the right. Then you're gonna do R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U. And now you're gonna stop and you're gonna turn your cube to the right. So now we're gonna do R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, and R, and that yellow piece should be solved. See, for myself, I've just created a parity, so I'm gonna show you how to do that one more time and show you how to fix that parity. R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U. Turn your cube to the right. R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R. And that is how you fix your parity. And now we can just go ahead and finish up our cube. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I enjoy teaching you guys how to do Rubik's Cube. Let me know what tutorial you guys want to see next. I have about 18 cubes right now. If I have it, I will try and make a tutorial on it. So what cube tutorial do you guys want to see next? Let me know down in the comments below, and I will see you next time.